Welcome to Planning P6. Today our project is on a water tank. A water tank is assigned to a company for construction, and the client is asking for a schedule with the resource allocation and plans to deliver the project. I will read the statement of the client. Client said, create a schedule using a planning software and make it presentable to client. Create a resource loading sheet and allocation chart. Create a work plan on how to create the project will be performed when you will need the resources. So I will create a schedule to build a water tank by assigning a resources to schedule and basically a resource based schedule. I will make a resource based schedule by a printable resource allocation sheets and resource loading sheet. So without wasting time, I will go for my P6 program. I have already logged into my software by using my password and username. So here in my project file, I will add a project here. For example, I will add a project in the enterprises or in the construction, engineering and construction. So I will add in here project in enterprises. Insert. So there is a new EPS. In this EPS, I will add in our initiatives and project ID we will allot in water tank. So WT. So we will assign a number 101. So our project name is construction of water tank. So here I will go for next. So it will be planned from the end of this month. So we will not assign a must finish date. I will assign it later when I will see my all resources, my all probabilities and my all client requirements. So I will go for next. So here I will assign a responsible manager. I will go here, my company names, anything I have in responsible manager. If I have a company profile loaded in my database, so I will select here my company profile here. So I don't have right now available. I will assign enterprise, but if you want to add, so see OBS lecture how to assign organization breakdown structure to your Primavera P6. So I will go for next. So you see the video on organization breakdown structure. So here is rate. So if there are 4 or 5 type of rates you want to apply in different companies or in different countries, so you can assign a different type of rates. This is the functional activity or functional type of application you can apply on this software. Rate type I will apply for a standard rate. If your BOQ have a 3 or 4 type of rates, external rates, internal rates, or any other price per unit, you can assign here. So I will go for standard rate and finish the project. So here I have assigned the project WT, a water tank project, construction of a water tank. When I click here, you can see total activities, strategic priority. So here a 0 total activity in this project. So when I go for a journal, you can see a project ID, project name, and is it active or inactive or planned or what if. So I will go for another dates. So project plan start date is 31. Our data date will be the same when you started the project. And codes, defaults, resources, and other settings. I will open that project. So here I have opened the project, and I will just open my ordinary layout with the details in the bottom. This is my ordinary layout, and I go here a view, open layout. I will not save this layout, and ABC layout. I will apply this one. Okay, this is a general layout, ABC layout, total and activity type, activity name, activity ID. Okay, next step, I have just created a project for the construction of water tank. Now I will go here and see water tank files, what I have, drawing and specification. So here in BOQ is missing. So first I will go here and write an Excel file. So create a new file. First, I will create a BOQ for here. This is a resource loading sheet. So I will see the drawing, and by drawing, so this project will be different. I will also create a BOQ here, and I will also create a resource loading sheet, and beside this one I will also create the schedule. It's not the same that I have available BOQ and just I will create all activities on a sheet and I will directly load into Primavera P6. I will just do it manually. Manually means one activity I will add in this one. So here drawing, I will open the drawing. BOQ is not accurate because I don't require the BOQ accurate, because I have not available it and it will take too much time. So it is a 200,000 gallon capacity water tank. So this is our project name. Here is a drawing. It's 18 meter in width and in length it's almost 1800 also. So let's start the schedule. I have seen all the drawing and all the details. I will tell you in parts. So first one is cleaning and grabbing or site. First of all, we will do cleaning and grabbing of site. So where we will go, the site, and you will see just it's 1800 meters, and it's 1800 meters. 18,000 millimeters. Okay. Here we will go for the detailed weight. Cubic meter. Cleaning rubbing, it's equal to 18 into 18. It's 324. Weight 1 or 2 or 5. It's your choice what the rate is, or if the quantity surveyor's choice. So first activity I have added here, cleaning and grabbing activity, cleaning, grabbing of site. I will add here a serial number, activity name, and then I will write a quantity, total quantity, and here I will add resources. Mason, labor, steel fixer, helper, fixer, helper, and then I will add here scaffolder, and carpenter. We will remove this type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 type of resources. So these are labor resources, and this is a non-labor resources. Excavator, I will add only excavator here. If you have more than this one, you can add here. If there are material resources, you can add cement, sand, but I will not use material resource here. It will take too much time, but you can get a material resource also here, a cement, sand, crush, steel, you can write here. So first I will add here this activity. I will add here a quantity, cubic meter. Also I will add here unit, so this one is resource loading sheet overall. Now I will go on. The second option or the second item we will do site survey. I will here engineer here. Engineer here. This one is in square meter, not in cubic meter. When you multiply 18 into 18, it's a square meter, not a cubic meter. This one is also same square meter, and the quantity is the same. So the next one we will go for excavation. Work. It's in cubic meter. I will just go here and see the depth, and depth will be 36 and 300, 175 and 3600 and 300 and 100 and plus 175. It's 4.1 meter is equal to 4.1 into 18.5 the workspace and into 18.5. It's in cubic meter. So resource loading, you can see I will provide a resource loading application. You can use that application to get a productivity rates from there. So excavation work is done. So the next is PCC work, plain cement concrete work. I will write in shortcut, you can write in details, there is no issue in it. You can write PCC work in cubic meter. It's 18 into 18 into 0.100. PCC work is completed now. And then we will go for raft foundation work. It's also in cubic meter. This one is the same. I am not going for exact quantities because it will take too much time. For a raft foundation work, there are 3 steps in each raft foundation work. One is, first of all, we will do a steel fixing, then formwork, and then concrete. 3 steps will take in this concrete step. Then we will also put for column. Then there is a column concrete work. Concrete work, and then there is a shear wall concrete work. Before this one, there is water stopper, and in shear wall and fittings in wall. Also, the final step is slab, water tank, slab concrete. And then there is a backfilling work. So here, after the backfilling work, our project is probably completed. So we have 11 activities. We can enlarge or we can increase more activity In the raft foundation, we can add 3-4 activities and we can do it in parts and in everything. But I will not do it in parts. I will just close a schedule in the short term. So here I will add a column. So there are 4 columns in it. You can see in the ring. No, there are not 4 columns. So there are 16 columns in it, and also outer shear wall in it. So I will add 65 cubic meter, this one 130 cubic meter, and this one water tank slab feet will be 80 cubic meter. Water stopper 18 into 4, 72. This one is 15 members. Backfilling, probably if excavation is 1403 and backfilling will be 300, and the rate will be the same. So here I have created a BOQ, a rough estimated BOQ for this tank project. So here you can see backfilling. Up to backfilling I have made a schedule. Engineer, I need 1 engineer on each project on daily site. Technically. So for cleaning grabbing 324, I need 4. So this one will be in hours. This labor units will be in hours. Or 60 into 8 hours a day a labor will work. Excavation, $70 hours it will take. PCC work, it will take then there is a rock foundation. You can see productivity rates to get this one. These are all probables, and you can see how much you can calculate the formwork, total steel work, how much a steel fixer do in one day. So you can get all these things from there. So I am just doing it probable, and then there is a water temp slab complete. I'll just copy here, and this one excavator. So here excavator, For this one work, I will use labor for that thing. So here I have completed all in hours, and here I have completed the resource in hour also. So resource loading is completed now. I have these activities. I will go there. I will open the project. Now I will add here activities. Before adding activities, I will create WBS. Preparatory works or initial work. Then I will add an inscription stage. And then we will add here completion stage. So I have assigned 3 milestones here. So there are these are our project milestones. 3 milestones. One is preliminary stage, construction, and then completion stage. So here I will click F5 to refresh this one. So here we will see preliminary stage, construction stage, and then is completion stage. Now I will add here an activity. Project start, and then I will add an activity here. The insert button. Project mobilization. To start project. Then I will go here and export this file in XLS file. Next, in activities only. Export this file. Next, new, desktop one. Close here, and when we close, we can see here I will copy. I'll save. Now we'll go here, file, import, XLS file, so here I have imported this one file. You can see these all activities are task dependent. This one activity is start milestone. Project handover. Then project demobilization, and then here I will add project finish. And this is finish milestone. Column, and I will go for here duration type, remove this one, duty type, remove, total float. This project can be done in 60 days or 90 days. I will write here the date. You go here, must finish. So the project is starting on 1st of February. I will go for resources now. These are resource assignment. WT dash water tank dash 101 water tank resources. Add here all the resources. Here all the resources are added for mason, labor, steel fixer, helper, scaffolder, carpenter, engineer, and excavator. Go for activities and now assign the resources go here, column and duration, type here duration type, so units and time are now fixed. We'll go here, it's 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours here. Maximum I will assign 24, 86, 58, 58, 58, 58, 16, 16. Now I will set this one on, and first I will go new engineer resource. And now I will add it. Grabbing, we will go here, training grabbing, and total budget units per time, 43.2. New here, and the problem is that duration type is not fixed here. We will go ahead. Predecessor and successor activities. We will just assign a relationship to the activity. Order start, then mobilization, and mobilization cleaning works, then cleaning rubbing, site survey, excavation, PCC work, raft formation, slab, web filling, handover, mobilization, finish work. You can see the arrows are assigned to the activity. Now I will go for the site survey. So I will go for I will assign here a labor resource 53.2. And there is excavation work. There is an excavation work and 70.16. There is a PCC work, the PCC work mason labor, mason and labor 51.84. $52, $130. 130. And there is mason, labor, steel fixer, all the resources in this one. $311, $156, $156. $156 and $156. $156 and the labor 389 $156. Here column complete work, we will add the same all the resources here. I will see. So here we will go for the column complete work. One 104, 260, 104, 260, 104, you can add it by importing and exporting, but here I will do it manually. This one is 24, 48, 24, 24, 24, 48. The next one is share wall. I will add the same all resources. Two 208 520. Or 16. The next one is MEP wall fittings. We will do it one day, and the next one is water tank slab. We will add all the resources here. One 28, 320, here 48, 24, 24, 48. This is back to the case. So here I have 160 hours for the labor, and I write here one labor, 160 hours. Then write here 32. For 48, it will take 3 days more. So here I have completed the schedule for the water tank. So how I will get the resource allocation sheet from it? I will get the resource allocation sheet. There is my resource assignment. I will go for hand spreadsheets. Spreadsheet option. Time scale, month, week. These are weekly hourly units. These are resource ID name, labor, steel fixer, carpenter, engineer. Here you can read. These are start and finish. These are resource assignment. You can sort by customize. Here we will go for activity name. Okay. Here we will go for the customize the column. Find a resource name. Apply, and we will send budgeted units. So here are the budgeted units in the spreadsheet. For every week, budgeted units. Here we will print for the resource allocation. Desktop, resource spreadsheet. Schedule. Schedule. Primavera, and now I will export the schedule. XZR file 19.12. You can get it from my video link description. So thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, you can give in comments.